Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to post a picture, one way to post a picture on our direct line boards. And this is just kind of a little walkthrough of what you may run into. I'm actually using Firefox on a Mac, but it may look a little different, but it'll act pretty much the same, even on a PC with IE or Chrome or whatever. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and do post a new thread. And we'll do pic test. Post pic. So there's several ways you can do this. This test, I'm going to go ahead and do an upload. So we're going to go here and do a insert image. So when you click on this, it says either from URL or from your computer. So what I want to do is from my computer, and that's what's highlighted there. If I click on from URL, basically you would take the URL of a picture, put it right there, but we'll do it from my computer. We're going to go down here, we'll select the file, and I already put a file on my desktop that I know is too big, so let me see, what did I call it? There it is. So this particular file is 2.3 megs. Now when you load it directly from your camera, that's about the file size. This will not load on the message board, and you don't want a picture that big anyway. This is 2560 by 1920. But I'm going to show you what happens if you try and load a picture like that. So I'll go ahead and do open. And you see this here? It says file too large. So right there it's telling you 2.15 megs is way too big. So we're going to go ahead and clear list. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. So now I need to make that file smaller. And there are several ways you can do that, but here's a little program on the internet. It's called shrinkpictures.com. It's pretty cool. You can use it for all sorts of things, but we're going to go ahead and show you real quick how to shrink a picture right from here, save it, and then load it back onto the board. So we're going to choose a picture. Once again, I'll choose this one here. Do an open. And we're going to do select size. So we're going to go ahead and go 760, which is a good size for the message board. And we'll do best quality. We'll leave everything else the same. And then we'll go ahead and do a resize. So now it's actually resizing it on their website for you. So here you are. Here's the picture. Now you can download the picture now. You can either click that, or what I do is just right click, save image as, and there's your name of the image. It's going to go to my desktop. I'll do a save. Okay, so now that picture is saved on my desktop. I'm going to go back over here to our post. I'm going to go ahead and insert image. I'm going to do it from my computer. I'm going to select a file. And let's see, where's that file? There it is right there. So you remember the last one was 2.1 meg. This one is 106K. So that should load no problem. Do open. And as you can see, we don't have anything that says it's too big. We'll go ahead and upload the file. Okay, so there it is. So we like that. It's a nice little thumbnail. We'll do a submit new. And there it is. It's clickable. It'll come up. You can see it. We'll go ahead and go back. Now I'm going to show you how to load this same picture on your photo album. So you want to go up here to the top tab, click on Gallery, go down to My Albums. Now if you haven't created an album yet, you can go to Create New Album. And I'm just going to go to Stuff, because this is just kind of where I throw stuff. I click on this album. I'm going to go over here to Upload Pictures. Then I'm going to go back to Add Files, select Files. I'm going to take that same file that we had there, go ahead and open it. Go ahead and upload file. And it uploaded, so I'll go ahead and click Done. And there's the file name. You can change that if you want. 600 horsepower chopper. Yes, it is 600 horsepower chopper, and I wrote it. It was killer. So we'll go ahead and save changes. And there it is. So now if you click on this, here it is in full size. So if you wanted to post it in full size on the message, you can go over here, just click right there, and that's the code. Right click and do a copy. And then we're going to go ahead and go back to our original post. Forums, support and testing, pick tests. Okay, so there it is in the thumbnail. Well, I want to go ahead and put it in full size. So I'll, just to sake of showing you, I'll do a reply to thread. And I'll come down here and say, this is a 600 horsepower chopper. And I want the picture to go right there. I'll do you can do a right click, paste, and if you want to see if it worked, you can come down here and go to preview post, and there it is. So I know it worked. I'm going to go ahead and submit reply. So there you are. So now you can see it. This is as if you upload it from the post itself. This is if you link it to your photo album post. I'm going to show you one other way to grab a picture. Matter of fact, we're going to grab this picture right here. And you can do this with pretty much any picture on the web. But what I do is I just hold your left click outside, drag it over so it selects it, do a right click, do a copy, and now I'm going to go ahead and do a reply to thread again. And click where I want the picture, right click, paste, and see that put it, it not only did it take the picture, but it took the format, which is in the center, so if I want I can make it go back over to the side. And if I hit submit reply, you'll see there's my picture. Now the cool thing about doing it this way is the link goes with it. So now if I click on that, it actually brings you to the link that picture was related to. So anyway, that's basically 3 ways you can load it from your post as a thumbnail and attachment. You can do it from your photo gallery by loading it up in the album and linking to the BB code. Or you can just grab a picture on the web, copy it, and stick it in a post like that. So this will work on all the direct line sites, VTX 08, GL1800, and 109 riders, any of the boards that direct line sponsors here. So hopefully that will help you to be able to load pictures on our boards. It's really pretty easy. One of the nice things about this new board, I'm going to show you real quick. If you go to the gallery and you go, so we'll go to my albums and we'll go to stuff and we'll click on this. Before you had to go to last or next, but if you want, you can just click on through the pictures. So it's kind of like Facebook and a lot of other sites. It will just keep, as long as you click on it, it will go to the next picture. So that's another cool little feature that you might want to play with on our boards. So hope that helps you. That's it. The Monster checking out.